MSc Part 2 Semester 4 Paper 2 Synthetic Organic Chemistry 2. In that Unit 2 Design and Organic Synthesis 2. Unit 2 आपण स्टार्ट केला आहे. न्यू युनिट. In that first, the disconnection approaches or retrosynthetic analysis. In that the organic synthesis lies at the heart of science, and the compounds synthesized by the chemist have played main role in the most of the improvements in the quality of the life for over the last 100 years. And chemist synthesis of a compound in most all the organic chemistry laboratory in the world, and industrial chemist synthesis of pharmaceutical polymers, pesticide, detergents, and some chemicals. See the research chemist synthesis natural product whose the structure is uncertain compound for the mechanistic investigation possible intermediate in the chemical and the physiological process. Thousands of a potential drug for a every day which is a clinical use, and even compound which might themselves be used for the organic synthesis. For the syntheting the target molecule, also called as TM, the molecule to the synthesized, and the synthetic route must be the designed to give the pure sample of the TM, means target molecule, using the convenient and efficient procedure. A given synthetic route is the sequence of a reaction designed to convert the commercially available starting material into the desired product, and usually the best practice is to devise a number of different route for the given target molecule and compare them to select the best one, because in the time spent designing a synthesis is the less than that of the spent in an actual laboratory. In general, the best synthesis involves the conversion of the most available and cheapest starting material into the desired product by the least number of steps and in the highest possible overall yield. The logically approaches for the designing the organic synthesis, which involve the breaking down the target molecule into available starting material by imaginary breaking of a bonds, means disconnection, and by the functional group interconversion, means MGI, is known as a disconnection approaches or retrosynthetic analysis or retrosynthesis or synthesis backwards. This process is the synthesis of a design which start the product and work backward towards the starting material. म्हणजे यामध्ये काय केलं जातं की जो मॉलिक्यूल आहे स्टार्टिंग मटेरियलमध्ये ब्रेकडाऊन केला जातो. टार्गेट मॉलिक्यूल जो आहे तो स्टार्टिंग मटेरियलमध्ये कन्वर्ट केला जातो. ओके, तो ब्रेकडाऊन केला जातो. त्यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं, रेट्रोसिंथेटिक म्हटलं जातं किंवा डिस्कनेक्शन ॲप्रोचेस म्हटलं जातं. डबल लाईन ॲरोज इज अलाउड द रेट्रोसिंथेटिक ॲरो. आता ती डबल लाईन जी ॲरो दाखवली जाणार आहे त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, रेट्रोसिंथेटिक ॲरो, अँड कॉमनली यूज्ड ॲज इंडिकेट द रिॲक्शन राईट बॅकवर्ड. द ॲक्च्युअल रिॲक्शन इज द reverse, and the following scheme with a retrosynthetic arrow means a Z could be the prepared from the X plus Y. These are the Z and retrosynthetic arrow, and the converted into the starting material is the X plus Y. We know that the following ester can be prepared by the from benzyl alcohol and benzyl chloride, and this we can represent this molecule is a retrosynthetic arrow shown below. Some आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे की इस्टर जो आहे तो कशापासून प्रिपेअर केलेला आहे, तर बेन्झिल अल्कोहोल आणि बेन्झिल क्लोराईडपासून अल्कोहोल केलेला आहे. सो काय केला आहे, इस्टर आहे तो ब्रेकडाऊन केलेला आहे आणि स्टार्टिंग मटेरियलमध्ये कन्वर्ट केलेला आहे. द बेन्झिल अल्कोहोल अँड द बेन्झिल क्लोराईड. द फॉलोइंग अमाइड वन कॅन बी प्रिपेअर्ड फ्रॉम द p-nitrobenzyl chloride 2 and the 2,6-dimethyl-aniline 3, and again we can represent this using the retrosynthetic arrow, the imaginary breaking of a molecule into its component part like shown, known as a disconnection, and it is a help to indicate the site one of the disconnection with a vaguely line. Usually the reason of the making the disconnection is shown on the retrosynthetic arrow, and these indicate the reverse reaction of a disconnection. There is a C and amide are the retrosynthetic arrow shows that the C and bond of the amide is a disconnected because the formation of the fusible. ओके, डिस्कनेक्शन तिथे दाखवलं आहे. अमाइडचं जर आपण ब्रेकडाऊन केला, प्रोडक्ट जो आहे तो किंवा टार्गेट मॉलिक्यूल जो आहे तो ब्रेकडाऊन केला, सी अँड बॉन्ड जर आपण ब्रेकडाऊन केला अमाइडमधला, तर काय होणार आहे, फॉर्मेशन इज अ p-nitrobenzyl क्लोराईड एक फॉर्मेशन होणार आहे, अँड 2,6-dimethyl-aniline हा एक तिथे काय होणार आहे, स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल तिथे मिळणार आहे आपल्याला. The disconnection must be correspond to the reverse a real and workable reaction. In this case of the above amide is a 1, it was the chosen the disconnection the C and bond because this disconnection correspond to the reverse of the real and workable reaction, that is the formation of the amide 1 and from the amine 2 and the acyl chloride 2. This is the best disconnection of a 1 because of another possible disconnection of this molecule is a correspond to the reverse such as a real and workable reaction which is yields. Then the disconnection are reverse of a synthetic step or reaction, and for every disconnection we must have a real and workable reaction in the mind for the effecting the corresponding reconnection and bond formation. डिस्कनेक्शन म्हणजे काय सांगितलं आहे की रिव्हर्स ऑफ अ सिंथेटिक स्टेप ऑफ रिॲक्शन, म्हणजे जी आपण रिॲक्शनला स्टेप करतो, आपल्याला जर प्रोडक्ट एखादा पाहिजे असेल तर आपण सरळ रिॲक्शन जे दाखवलं जातं मेकॅनिझम जे दाखवलं जातं त्यालाच डिस्कनेक्शनलाच काय करायचं त्याचं रिव्हर्स करायचं, म्हणजे प्रोडक्ट टू रिॲक्टंटकडे आपण जाणार. ओके, फॉर एव्हरी डिस्कनेक्शन प्रत्येक डिस्कनेक्शनला. Then synthons and synthetic equivalent. The synthons are the idealized fragment is a reagent usually cation or anion resulting from the disconnection. Synthons काय आहेत हे कॅटॅन किंवा anion असू शकतात. Synthons are need to be replaced by the reagent in a suggested synthesis. Let us take the example of a paracetamol which is the amide. We can disconnect either in the amine plus acyl chloride to the amine or anhydride. तर पॅरासिटामॉल जर घेतला आणि CN बॉन्ड जर घेतला ब्रेक केला तर काय होणार आहे, आपल्याला अमाइन मिळणार आहे, दुसरा आहे ॲसिड क्लोराईड किंवा आपल्याला अमाइन आणि अनहायड्रेट इथे मिळू शकतो. Which reagent is the best can only determined by the experimentation. The commercially paracetamol is prepared from the P-aminophenol and the acetic anhydride largely because of the byproduct acetic acid is easy to handle than the HCl. ओके, जर आपण पॅरासिटामॉल फॉर्मेशन जर करायचं असेल तर आपण कशापासून करणार, तर पॅराअमिनोफेनॉल आणि ॲसिटिक अनहायड्रेटपासून. का, कारण की जो बाय प्रोडक्ट मिळतो आपल्याला ॲसिटिक ॲसिड तो काय आहे हँडल करायला इझी आहे दॅन द HClपेक्षा. जर आपण ॲसिड क्लोराईड यूज केलं तर आपल्याला तिथे HCl आपल्याला बाय प्रोडक्ट मिळतो, तर तो कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड HCl इथे स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिड मिळण्यापेक्षा वीक ॲसिड मिळालेला हँडल करायला आपल्याला सोपा आहे. In a retrosynthetic analysis, one should not bother for this sort is a decision which is the best made later, and it is useful to have the single way representing the key characteristic of a alternative reagent. For example, we can decide the both acyl chloride and anhydride in above scheme is a single ionized reagent, while the cation is the electrophilic acyl group, and such a idealized reagent fragment usually the cation and anion are known as a synthons, and the synthons stand for the reagent we are going to use in the forward synthesis, and they are not themselves reagent, however they are essentially the intermediate in the reaction pathway by disconnecting bonds to the synthons rather than the actual reagent. Means synthetic equivalent, we can indicate the polarity of the bond forming reaction we are going to the without having the specified detail in this reagent. We can apply these ideas of the synthesis of herbicide is a 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. The most reasonable disconnection on the ether is a CO bond because of the we know that the ether are prepared for the alkyl halide by the substitution with the alkoxide anion, and at this stage we know that the stage they decide exactly which is the alkyl halide or alkoxide to use as the we just write the synthons. There is a target molecule is of 4,2,4-D is also called as a 2,4-dichloro phenoxyacetic acid, and this is the CO bond is a breakdown in the formation of this O minus and COH means acidic group. There is a 2 synthons. Okay, then okay, one of these retrosynthetic analysis is done, we can break back to the our knowledge for chemistry think is a reagent is a corresponding to this reaction. For example, the above case we should know that the note that the certainty choose of the anion of the phenol and the some functional as the acetic acid molecule with the leaving group in the alpha position, and the reagent equivalent to the synthon. And synthetic equivalent is the real chemical compound is the reagent carrying out the function of a synthon. For example, the synthon and the synthetic equivalent is a 2,4 1,3 phenol, okay, and plus base, and synthos is a acetic acid, and the synthetic equivalent is the 2-chloroacetic acid. Then bromoacetic acid is a also synthetic equivalents. Then we can write out the suggested design, the synthesis full form, that is the form of the beginning to the end. Thank you.